Guys, welcome to another hair growth video. So in today's video we'll be making use of flaxseed, okay, and we'll be doing flaxseed gel, a DIY flaxseed gel. And this is flaxseed. In case you don't know, you can get it in any supermarket or any market near where you live. Right now I'll be using about 2 tablespoons of this flaxseed. You can add or reduce the quantity of the flaxseed, depends on the amount of gel you want to make. All right, yeah, if you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Rachel. I upload hair growth videos, anything, everything DIY to grow your hair in this channel. Please do well to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and help me to share. So this is the flaxseed, and this is how it looks like. I just measure the quantity which I will be using. Right now I have water already boiled. I will just pour in the flaxseed and I'll continue to stir like so. You will stir like this until you see the gel forming itself, guys. Yeah, until the gel start to form. And you will know when the gel start to form, in the sense that you will see a lot of the skimmer, which is the foam, will come out. And yeah, then you will see how it is being thickened. It starts getting thick and thick, then you know that the gel is ready. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're not done so already, and also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and help me to share. So this is how it looks like. The gel is already forming. You can see those foam. In Italy it is called skimmer. So you can see the foam, you can see it, you can see that the gel is forming itself. So what I will do next is I'm going to switch it off, and immediately I switch this off, I'm going to sieve it immediately, because if you don't do it immediately, the gel is going to thicken and you won't be able to get out the gel, because what we really need in this video is the gel. And I'm going to tell you some of the benefits of flaxseed gel when it comes to hair growth. If you're not subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Consider to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and also help me to share. So guys, right now I just switch off the flame, and this is how it looks like. Immediately I am going to sieve this so that it does not get cold, like I told you guys before, so that we can easily get the gel. So see how I am sieving it immediately, and see how the gel is just coming out freely. If you let it sit for some minutes, it's not going to come out freely like so. Yes guys, yes guys. So this is the gel. Right now I'm going to pour it into my spray bottle, into any container which you have. Okay, so I just pour it into this container, which I'm going to be applying it from this container to my hair. All right, so this is my application bottle, and this is me here showing you how I'm going to use this on my hair. Mind you, I use this on a clean and washed hair. Okay, my hair is clean, my hair is washed. All right, so I'm going to just apply this gel all over my scalp to the root of my hair. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up while I tell you some of the benefits of flaxseed when it comes to hair growth. Flaxseed helps to promote hair growth. It prevents split ends. It helps to strengthen your hair. It prevents hair loss. It fights against dandruff. It keeps your hair hydrated. Okay, it is so amazing. It helps to repair damaged hair. It helps also to repair damaged scalp. It is so amazing. Adds shine and smoothness to your hair. Yeah, it also helps to postpone or prevent grayness when it comes to hair. Okay, if your hair is getting gray or you're going gray, make sure to always use flaxseed to prevent grayness. All right, it enhances the overall hair health. Okay, scalp, it fights against scalp issues. It is so amazing. It prevents premature graying. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Flaxseed is very amazing when it comes to hair growth, guys.
Rachelshairstyle. Yeah, yeah, Rachelshairstyle. You got to know. It's on the beat, baby. Rachelshairstyle. Yeah. Na 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 na. Rachelshairstyle. Are you in for? When you wish I was a Rachelshairstyle. If you look for a channel on YouTube, where they got it on lifestyle matters, rich and style. That's where you wanna be, where you wanna be. So what you waiting for? So what you need to subscribe. I beg you make it always strive. Bring it to your notice. No good door, no good door. I love some, I love go inside Italy city. No good door, no good door. I love some, I love go. Say, just YouTube make you go subscribe to you. Give me the block for you. So what you waiting for? Reach your style. So reach your style, reach your style.
Guys, I'll also do the same for the back of my hair, just the same process I did in the front. I'll do the same, apply it from the scalp to the root of my hair like that, and I make sure I massage for blood flow, blood circulation, which is very 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 important, guys.
It's on the beat, baby.
This is me here massaging for blood flow, blood circulation. I just massage very well, and I'm showing you how the flaxseed has up the how it has changed the texture, okay, how it has defined my coils. Yeah, so this is me massaging. Yeah, in case you don't have this, you can get this massage brush at Amazon online. Yeah, if you live in Nigeria, you can also find it maybe at one whatever online store, okay, that you have there. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so already, and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much if you watch up to this point. Just take a look at how the flaxseed has up my hair, how it has defined the coils and all that, okay. So blood for, as in, when you massage your scalp, it is very very good. It's going to help your hair, it's going to help for blood flow and blood circulation. Massaging of scalp is very very important. Make sure you always massage your scalp because it is very 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 important. Thank you so much for watching. If you watch up to this point, I really do appreciate you. Yeah.
Rachelshairstyle. Yeah, yeah, Rachelshairstyle. You got to know. It's on the beat, baby. Rachelshairstyle. Yeah. Na 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 na. Rachelshairstyle. Are you in for? When you wish I was a Rachelshairstyle. If you look for a channel
going to just cover my hair in this plastic wrap. You can use any plastic wrap that you have available. I'll just cover this for about 30 minutes or 40 minutes thereabout. Then I'll go and wash it, and yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching once more. Help me to subscribe if you're not done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Also help me to share. Thank you so much for watching.
Subscribe, yo. Leave me the block for you. So watch your review.
Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up like so, and help me to share. I'll see you in my next video, in my next one. Bye, ciao. Oh, I forgot to say, I'm going to leave this on my hair for about 40 minutes and I'll watch.